This is the story of a software update gone wrong. A seemingly routine update that spiraled into chaos, affecting countless users and systems. It's a story about unintended consequences. What was meant to be a simple improvement turned into a nightmare, showcasing the fragility of our digital infrastructure. It's a story about our increasing reliance on technology. In our modern world, we depend on these systems for everything from communication to commerce, and when they fail, the impact is profound. And it's a story that should serve as a warning for the future. As we continue to integrate technology into every aspect of our lives, we must remain aware of the potential risks and prepare accordingly. This essay is part one of a two-part series. In this first installment, we will lay the groundwork for understanding the complexities and challenges of modern cybersecurity. In this installment, we'll explore the CrowdStrike security update failure of July 2024. This incident serves as a case study in how even the most robust systems can falter. We'll delve into the technical aspects, the widespread impact, and the lessons learned. From the initial error to the cascading failures, we will dissect each step to understand what went wrong. Part 2 will take us back in time to the infamous Y2K bug. We'll examine its origins, the fears it sparked, and the massive efforts undertaken to prevent disaster, the global panic it ignited, and the surprising aftermath. Despite the widespread fear, the Y2K bug ultimately had a limited impact, thanks to the extensive preparations made by governments and businesses worldwide. By comparing these two events, we can gain a deeper understanding of our evolving relationship with technology. Both incidents highlight the unpredictable nature of technological advancements and the importance of proactive measures. Together, these stories remind us that even the most advanced systems are vulnerable to human error. No matter how sophisticated our technology becomes, it is still created and maintained by humans who are inherently fallible. They highlight the importance of vigilance, preparedness, and continuous improvement in our cybersecurity practices. We must stay ahead of potential threats and be ready to respond swiftly when issues arise, and a healthy dose of skepticism when it comes to the promises of the digital age. As we move forward, let us remember these lessons and strive to build a more secure and resilient technological future. Before we delve into the incident itself, let's take a moment to understand CrowdStrike. This cybersecurity giant plays a critical role in our digital world. They are the silent guardians, working tirelessly behind the scenes to protect businesses and governments from cyber attacks. CrowdStrike is renowned for its cutting-edge endpoint security software. This software acts as a digital shield, safeguarding computers and devices from malware, ransomware, and other online threats. Their services are trusted by countless organizations worldwide, making them a cornerstone of modern cybersecurity. Imagine a world without CrowdStrike. It's a world where cybercriminals run rampant, holding our data hostage and crippling vital infrastructure. It's a world we can ill afford. CrowdStrike's role in our digital ecosystem is paramount. They are the sentinels guarding the gates of our digital lives. Their importance in the cybersecurity landscape cannot be overstated. Their failure had an outsized impact. July 2024 began like any other month. Businesses hummed with activity, people went about their daily lives, and the digital world continued its relentless expansion. But on July 10th, everything changed. CrowdStrike, the stalwart protector of the digital realm, faltered. A routine security update designed to bolster defenses backfired spectacularly. Instead of fortifying systems, the update triggered a cascade of malfunctions. Computers around the globe ground to a halt, locked out by their own security software. The effects were immediate and far-reaching. Businesses large and small found themselves paralyzed, their operations crippled by the very software meant to protect them. Essential services faced disruptions, from hospitals struggling to access patient records to financial institutions grappling with frozen transactions. The digital world, so accustomed to seamless connectivity, was thrust into chaos. The July 2024 CrowdStrike incident served as a stark reminder of our dependence on technology and the devastating consequences when that technology fails. Unraveling the technical glitch, a simplified view. At the heart of the CrowdStrike debacle lay a seemingly innocuous error, a single misstep in a complex symphony of code. This error, though small in appearance, had far-reaching implications that rippled through the entire system. Without delving into overly technical jargon, Let's try to understand the nature of this critical flaw. Imagine a scenario where every line of code is a note in a grand musical composition. One wrong note can throw off the entire melody. Imagine a lock and key mechanism. This is a simple yet effective way to visualize the problem. CrowdStrike's software, in essence, provides the lock, securing access to your computer systems. This lock is designed to keep unauthorized users out while allowing legitimate users in. The update was meant to replace the existing lock with a more robust version. This new lock was supposed to be stronger, more secure, and better at protecting sensitive information. However, due to a coding error, the new lock arrived without a corresponding key. This is akin to installing a new high-tech lock on your front door, but forgetting to provide the key to open it. As a result, when the update was implemented, the new lock engaged, but the system itself lacked the necessary key to unlock it. This left users unable to access their own systems, effectively locking them out. This caused a system-wide lockout, rendering computers inaccessible and paralyzing operations. Businesses were unable to function, leading to significant downtime and financial losses. This seemingly minor oversight, a missing line of code, had catastrophic consequences. It serves as a stark reminder of how even the smallest errors in software development can lead to major disruptions. It underscores the delicate intricacies of software development and the ripple effects of even the smallest errors in our interconnected world. In today's digital age, where everything is interconnected, a single flaw can have a domino effect, impacting not just one system, but potentially thousands. This incident highlights the importance of rigorous testing and quality assurance in software development. Ensuring that every line of code is correct and that every update is thoroughly vetted can prevent such issues from occurring. It also emphasizes the need for collaboration and communication among development teams. By working together and double-checking each other's work, developers can catch errors before they become major problems. Ultimately, the goal is to create secure, reliable systems that users can trust. While mistakes are inevitable, learning from them and improving processes can help mitigate their impact. Echoes of Y2K, a blast from the past. The CrowdStrike incident, while jarring in its immediacy, evokes memories of a similar technological scare from a bygone era, the Y2K bug. This event, which gripped the world at the turn of the millennium, was a stark reminder of how deeply technology is woven into the fabric of our daily lives. Although separated by decades, these two events share striking similarities. Both incidents underscore the fragility of our digital infrastructure and the far-reaching consequences of even minor oversights in programming and system design. The Y2K bug, for those unfamiliar, stemmed from a shortcut used in early computer programming. In an era when memory was a precious commodity, programmers abbreviated dates using 2 digits for the year, like 99 for 1999. This seemingly innocuous decision had the potential to wreak havoc. As the year 2000 approached, concerns arose that computers would misinterpret 00 as 1900, potentially causing widespread system failures. The fear was that everything from banking systems to power grids could be affected, leading to a cascade of failures across the globe. While the Y2K bug ultimately proved to be less cataclysmic than feared, thanks to extensive remediation efforts, it served as a wake-up call. Governments and corporations around the world poured billions of dollars into fixing the problem, highlighting the importance of proactive measures in technology management. It exposed the inherent vulnerabilities of relying on complex, interconnected systems and the potential for unforeseen consequences. The Y2K scare taught us that even the smallest oversight in system design could have monumental repercussions. Similarly, the CrowdStrike incident, although arising from a different technical glitch, highlights the same underlying issue: our increasing dependence on technology and the potential for catastrophic failures. As we continue to integrate technology into every aspect of our lives, the lessons from Y2K remain ever relevant. Vigilance, preparedness, and a deep understanding of our digital infrastructure are crucial to preventing future crises. Global ramifications, a world held hostage. The impact of the CrowdStrike failure extended far beyond the digital realm, spilling over into the physical world with alarming speed. As businesses ground to a halt, supply chains were disrupted, and economic activity slowed. The interconnectedness of our globalized world, once a symbol of progress and efficiency, became a liability. Just as a single malfunctioning gear can cripple a complex machine, the CrowdStrike glitch exposed the fragility of our interconnected systems. Hospitals reliant on digital records and connected medical devices faced critical delays in patient care. Financial institutions struggled to process transactions, leaving individuals and businesses in limbo. Government agencies grappled with communication breakdowns and service disruptions. The incident served as a stark reminder that our reliance on technology comes at a price. It exposed the vulnerability of our critical infrastructure and the potential for widespread chaos in the event of a major technological failure. If you found this video informative or helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more on Y2K next week, and as always, keep your mind open and your thirst for knowledge strong.